guys, welcome to Neha's channel. Today we are going to learn about this fill in the blanks they have told. So it's little hard, I know. So we should add for this. So are you ready?
Add using tens and ones.
Yes.
Okay.
We
Start
should
with
add
the first problem. Yeah.
Yes. The first problem I have done. So let's go to the third problem.
Yeah.
So
Can you read the question first?
yes, 110 plus 21 ones. Oh, it's too easy. We just need to add 10 plus 21 because 21 is in ones.
Can you add?
So 1 is in tens. So we should put 10 plus 21. Should we add?
Yeah.
10 plus 21 equals to 1 and 3. 31.
Okay. What
So
is
the
the
answer is-
question in the right hand side? What is the question in the right hand side?
We
Dash
should,
tens.
we should just write 31.
Dash. No. Read the question. Dash tens plus dash ones.
Dash tens. 31 tens.
No, ma.
plus
Don't tell the
one
answer.
ones.
First, you read the question. Third, dash tens.
Dash-
Question. Read a question. Read panna. Dash tens plus one ones.
Dash tens plus 1 ones.
Okay.
So we
So
should
in the dash, what we have to put?
31.
31 is the sum, but we have to separate the 31 into tens and ones. 31 is how many tens and how many ones?
3 tens and 1 ones.
Correct. So tens is already written here, so write only 3. Simple. Got it?
Oh, got it.
Very good.
Okay guys, let's do
First
more.
read the entire question equal to what? Everything you read, then after you solve the problem.
Alright. So
So
guys,
the next question is?
So guys, it's too much easy. I love it. So let's do more.
Yeah.
Come on. So they have told 2 tens plus 26 ones. Let's
Equal to, read it.
equal to
Because they can't see the people in the video. So read the question.
yes,
Equal to
20 because it's tens. 20 plus 26 because it's ones. 20 plus 26
equal
equals
to dash tens
dash
plus.
tens plus 6 ones.
Read that full question I'm telling you. After that you can solve. Now solve it.
Alright. So now we should put 20
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
26. Put this. So 20 plus 26 equals to here 6, 4, 46.
Okay. How many ones and tens
So they
are?
have told 4. I mean 4 is the answer because see there are tens.
The question is having already 10. So dash tens and 0 ones. Read the question, full question. They are written.
So 20 plus 26 equals to 46. So 2 tens plus 26 ones equals to 4
Equals
tens.
to 4
4
tens plus 6 ones. Correct. Write it.
See, I told you.
Read the entire question from here to here. Read.
4
No,
For-
read ma first.
4 tens plus 20 ones equals to dash tens plus 0 ones.
Okay, now solve the problem.
Alright, so they have told then 40 plus 20 because tens is here. Let's start. 40 plus 20 equals to, this is only 0 because 2 zeros are yes.
Mm-hmm.
This should be 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then the answer is 60. Let me see. They have told tens. So what's in tens? 6. So 6 is the answer. So let's.
How many ones? That also you have to check.
So let's
Check how
read
many
it.
ones.
Now let's read the full sentence. How is it? 4 tens plus 20 ones equals to 6 tens plus 0 ones.
Correct. 6 tens plus 0 ones is there here. Check it.
Yes.
Check
it's
that
already
also.
there.
Check both the ones as well as the tens in the answer.
Guys, I wanted to tell you something. So here, if 0 ones is there, we should add because we need to know the answer. So if it's 60, they will write ones over here, and here is tens. So we need to write the tens now. number.
Okay, next question. Read the entire question.
Number 4 tens
Keep the
plus
hand. Can you please keep the hand so that I can see it in the video?
4 tens plus 17 ones equals to 5 tens plus. Okay, we need to add
5 tens plus. After that, what? I heard only 5 tens plus.
equal to is not there.
Equal to 5 tens plus
Equal to
dash.
ones.
Read that as dash.
Alright. So now let's put 40.
Keep it write it down so that you don't get confused with this sum. This is a different sum. Me move your hand. This is a different sum. This is a different sum. So write down little bit. You will add the other number also then.
40 plus 17 equal to 5 tens plus. Oh, we need to just add two things because they have written 5 tens, so we need to find out what's the ones. Let me check out. This is 7. Oh my god. 57 guys, so they have written 5 over here, so we need to write 7.
Very good. Correct.
Let's read it again so it will go in your brain. 4 tens plus 17 ones equals to 5 tens plus 7 ones.
Perfect. Go to the next one.
Alright. So 6 tens plus 32 ones equals to 9 tens plus dash ones. So let's add 60 and plus and 32. That's it. Now let's add. This one is 2 because 2
You
is
have to start from the ones place. That is
Yes.
correct.
Yes, we should not add from this place
Tens
because
place.
we may be confused, and then if this would be carrying, what will happen?
Exactly.
We should do
Always start from ones place. Okay,
yes,
start.
Let's start. So 6 plus 3. 9.
Okay.
92. Oh my god.
Okay, so what is the answer?
So they have told and 1. So it's 2.
Very good. Now read the entire question.
5 tens. Oh, the entire question, yeah. 6 tens plus 32 ones equals to 9 tens plus 2 ones.
Perfect. How many more? 2 more questions. Do it.
Yes. 5 tens plus 34 ones dash tens plus 4 ones. We need to add now. 50 plus 34. Is it 34? Yes. Now 4 plus 0, 4. This should be 8 because 6 plus 3 is 9.
Okay, good.
So it's 84 guys. Now they have told tens. So what's in tens? 8. So we need to write 8.
Okay, can you read the entire question?
Yes. 5 tens plus 34 ones equals to 8 tens plus 4 ones.
Perfect.
We did it. Now we only have a last questions. Please understand this one. 7 tens plus 18 ones equals to dash tens plus 8 ones. So now we should write 17 plus 18. 8 plus 0 is 8 and 7 plus 1 is 8. It's 88 guys. So we can also write over here 82. We can write over here 82 because 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So let's write 8 over here.
Very good.
And guys, we need to tell you something. don't think we should write minus. We should write plus only. There's nothing like minus in this one. We should write plus.
Yeah. We will meet you with the next problems in the math series. Until
Bye.
then,
Until then,
don't forget to
subscribe and like and share.
see you guys. Bye.
Bye.